Hey guys, and welcome back to a mystery knit along. This will be section 5 and I will show you how to knit this. So for the front row we have, as always, knit forward and back. So you knit and you purl the first stitch, then we knit all these stitches until we have 3 stitches left. Now we have 3 stitches left, and for the I-cord, take off the 3 stitches and turn your work. Then knit the 3 stitches and purl all the other stitches until you have 1 left. And the last stitch, knit this stitch. Okay. And now you repeat these 2 rows 9 times. So that means you need 20 rows at all. And then we'll continue with the pattern. So you have the knit stitches in the front row and the purl stitches in the back row. And don't forget to increase and to do the I-cord. So this is how your work should look like. Nice stockinette stitch. Don't bother about rolling, it will be good later. And now we're going to continue. So for the next row you increase the first stitch as always. Knit and purl, and then we will alternate all the time between 1 knit stitch and 1 purl stitch. So you knit 1 and you purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and so on until you have 3 stitches left for the I-cord. At the end of the row, take off the 3 stitches for the I-cord and turn your work. And now we knit the first 3 stitches. As always, this will be a seed stitch. So if you see a purl, we will knit, and if you see a V, we will purl. So here's a purl, we will knit, and here's a V, we will purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and so on until you have 1 stitch left. And the last stitch will be a knit stitch, and then turn your work. How it should look like. So you have 2 rows with the seed stitch. Now we're going to repeat this stockinette stitch, so 20 rows, then 1 more time the seed stitch pattern, 2 rows, and then 1 more time the stockinette stitch, 20 rows. So guys, this is my work so far. and these are 87 stitches at all on the needles. You have here 20 rows stockinette, 2 rows seed stitch, 20 rows stockinette, 2 rows seed stitch, and 20 rows stockinette. And now we're going to finish this section, and this will be section 6, and you will finish this one as always. We increase the first stitch, and then we have again 2 rows stockinette, so the front row or the right side will be the knit stitch all the time, and the wrong side will be purl stitch. So it's the same as always if we finish one section. And after these 2 rows you should have 88 stitches at all, and then we'll continue in a new video. So happy knitting, and until next time.